Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you reduce space usage of your Gmail account. Now, let's go ahead and let's start. So first here, what you can do is you can click on this button right here, and here it says size greater than. So 10 MB is a fairly big size for an email. So let's search for documents or emails that are 10 MB and above. Now click on search. And here it is going to show you a list of emails that you have that are 10 MB and greater. So if you don't need these emails anymore, you can click on this box here and click on delete them. All right, so another way to proactively reduce the storage size of your Gmail is to use links instead of attaching pictures and documents. So when you go to Compose here, instead of attaching a picture or file, what you can do is you can click on Google Drive. So using this one, you will be able to save space because it is actually already saved on the cloud and you are just sharing the link to your recipient. So your recipient will not take any other storage either because the file is on the cloud. All right, so that would be all for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.